are going to start exercise 2.1 from question number 6.
Question number 6. Salim wants to put a picture in a frame. The picture is 73 by 5 cm wide. To fit it in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 73 by 10 cm wide. How much should picture be trimmed? Here, the size of the picture is given, that is 73 by 5 cm wide, and the size of the frame is small as compared to the picture. So to fix that picture in the frame, the picture should be trimmed. So here the width is given, the width of the picture is given. So let's write the solution here. The width of the picture is equal to 73 by 5 cm, and the required size of the frame. Size of the frame is equal to 73 by 10 cm. Now here what we have to do, first of all we have to convert this into improper fraction. So here 5 sevens are 35, 35 plus 3, 38 upon 5 centimeter, and here it is 73 upon 10 centimeter. Now both the denominators are different. Here the denominator is 5 and here it is 10. So what we have to do? We have to take the LCM. So LCM of 5 and 10 is equal to 10. So how to calculate the LCM 5 and 10? Here we have to put 2. Here 5. So the LCM is 10. So now we have to make the denominator equal. So 38 upon 5 into, here we have to put 10. So 5 2s are, and here also 2. So if we multiply the denominator with 2, we have to multiply the numerator with 2. So here it is 76. Then 73 upon 10. Here the denominator is 10 and our LCM is also 10. So here we have to multiply this number with 1. So here we got 10. So if we multiply the denominator with 1, we have to multiply the numerator with 1. So it is 73 upon 10. Now what we have to do? We have to minus this. So 76 minus 73 upon 10. So it is 3 upon 10 centimeter. So the picture should be trimmed, that is 3 upon 10. So here we have to write, therefore the picture be trimmed is equal to 3 upon 10 centimeter. Now number 7. Ritu ate 3 by 5 part of an apple and the remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. How much part of the apple did Somu eat? Who had the largest share? By how much? So here, first of all, we have to assume that one apple is there. So Ritu ate 3 by 5 part of an apple, and rest it is eaten by her brother Somu. So here, what we have to do first, we have to assume that let the whole part of an apple, let the whole part of an apple be 1. So first of all, the whole part is 1 and the apple was eaten by Ritu is equal to 3 by 5 part. Now we have to find out the part of the apple eaten by Somu. So part of an apple eaten by Somu is equal to, so we have to minus the part of an apple eaten by Ritu. So here we have to minus it from 1. So here we have to write 1. So now take out the LCM of 1 and 5. So what is the LCM of 1 and 5? So LCM of 1 and 5 is equal to 5 only. So now here we have to make denominator equal. So here with which number we multiply the denominator, we get 5 here. So with 5. So if you multiply the denominator with 5, we have to multiply the numerator with 5. So here we get 5 upon 5. Then here 3 upon 5. Here 5 is there in the denominator. So here we have to multiply it with 1. We get 5 here. So here also with 1. So 5 upon 5 minus 3 upon 5. So here 5 minus 3 upon 5. So the part of an apple eaten by Somu is 2 by 5 part. So what we have to write, since 3 by 5 is greater than 2 by 5. So here the part of an apple which is eaten by Ritu was 3 by 5, and here this part of an apple eaten by Somu is 2 by 5. So here the question is, who had the larger share? So our answer is, thus Ritu had the larger share. Okay, so here Ritu had a larger share. And next question is, by how much? So here we have to find out that how much more apple eaten by Ritu. So now here we have to find out the difference. So difference is equal to, that is 3 upon 5 minus 2 upon 5. So 3 minus 2 upon 5. So it is 1 by 5 part. So here the Ritu was eaten 1 by 5 part more than Somu. Therefore Ritu was eaten 1 by 5 part more than her brother Somu. Now, question number 8. Manoj finished coloring a picture in 7 by 12 hours. Vaibhav finished coloring the same picture in 3 by 4 hours. So, who worked longer and by what fraction was it longer? So, here Manoj finished coloring a picture in 7 by 12 hours, and the same picture Vaibhav finished coloring in 3 by 4 hours. So here we have to find out who worked longer and by how much fraction was it longer. So first of all, time taken by Manoj. So it is 7 by 12 hours. Then time taken by Vaibhav is equal to 3 by 4 hours. So here now both the denominators are unequal. So what we have to make it equal, we have to do LCM to make it equal. So take out the LCM of 4 and 12. So 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are, here 2 1s are and 2 3s are. Here we have to write 3. So 3 into 2 into 2, 3 4s are, that is 12 is the LCM. So now we have to make equal denominator. Here we have to write 12. So here 1, so it is 7 upon 12, then 3 upon 4. 4 3s are 12. So here in the numerator we have to multiply it with 3. 3 3s are 9. So since 9 upon 12 is greater than 7 upon 12. So here the time taken by Vaibhav. So it is 9 upon 12 and time taken by Manoj, that is 7 upon 12. So 9 upon 12 is greater than 7 upon 12. So here who take more time? That is Vaibhav. So thus time taken by Vaibhav was longer. Here we have to find out the fraction, that how much longer time was taken by Vaibhav. So for that we have to do the difference. So difference is equal to 9 by 12 minus 7 by 12. So here 9 minus 7 by 12 is equal to 2 by 12. So ये 2 1s are and 2 6s are. So 1 by 6 hour. So here the time taken by Vaibhav is 1 by 6 hour longer than Manoj. Here the time taken by Vaibhav, that is 1 upon 6 hour longer than Manoj. Therefore time taken by Vaibhav is 1 upon 6 hours longer than Manoj. So here more time is taken by Vaibhav than Manoj. So dear students, here we completed our exercise 2.1. So I hope you understand it very well. So keep practicing. Thank you so much and have a nice day.